This is GCSE Maths notes. We're doing M3 and we're in chapter 4 doing some algebra, and we're going to be expanding out some brackets here. So again, you should be well versed with this from the previous couple of years. Here we need to multiply the 3 by the 2x. That gives me 6x. And then the 3 by the minus 1. That will be minus 3. Second one. Then 2 times the 6x, 12x minus 6a, and third one, minus 4 times 2a is minus 8a, minus 4 times minus 5a squared, be careful here, the minus and the minus gives us a plus 20a squared. Okay, over the page. 7c, so slightly different here, we're now multiplying by a letter as well. So 7c times 3a gives me 21ac. Again, it's quite good if you can put them in alphabetical order there. Plus 7 times 4 is 28, and c times c gives us c squared. Here we have a bracket and we need to tidy it up. We're not dealing with the minus 2x squared until the end. So multiplying out our bracket first gives us 3x squared plus 12x, that's the bracket multiplied out, and then minus 2x squared at the end. At this stage we're going to join together our like terms. Look back to our last video if you need help with that, but this and this are like terms, it doesn't join together with this one, so that then gives me x squared plus 12x. Again, this starts to look like FOIL but isn't, so just be careful of this. We're going to multiply the 4 by this bracket, and actually some people put in a wee minus 1 there. People find it a wee bit more helpful if they have that minus this bracket here. So let's go. So it's going to be 12x plus 20 minus 12 plus x. 12 and x are of course like terms, so that would be 13x, and then 20 take away 12 gives me a plus 8. This one here then, 6b times this bracket is going to give me 6b cubed minus 6b squared, multiplying this bracket by 7, plus 7b squared minus 35b. Tidying this up, 6b cubed plus b squared minus 35b. Next, more of a problem one. So find the area of the shape in terms of x. I'm going to split it up into two sections, as I'm sure we should. So if I do my line down here, and we'll call this one A1 and call that A2. The area of A1 is going to be a rectangle, so it's length times breadth. Area 1 then is x multiplied by 5x plus 1, and I hope you're happy that that makes sense there. That means this multiplied by this, that's really what the bracket means there. So you did 5x squared plus x. For area of A2 we need to think about this one a bit more. That's length times breadth, so that's x minus 4. What's this going to be? That's a 3x and that's an x. So if you do this, take away this, it's going to give us this. So that then would be a 2x. So A2 is then going to be 2x upon x minus 4. And A2 is going to be 2x squared minus 8x. So we need then a total area. It's going to be 5x squared plus x plus 2x squared minus 8x. That gives me 7x squared, that's that term joining together with that term, and then the x and the minus x minus 7x.